Hi, do you have a tight jawline? Perhaps you suffer with TMJ, you hold plenty of tension and stress, clenched teeth. Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing some really great fascia release techniques, one point to really help unlock that jawline, to really help with the maximum blood flow circulation, so everything else can also flow around the lower part of the face. This will also help with those fine lines and wrinkles, those smile lines and any facial wrinkles around the lower part of the face, as well as the jawline. Hi, I'm Alison Jane Skincare, and a warm welcome to my channel. I've been a facialist for the last 8 years, and I really am passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin. Now I am using a little bit of my facial oil for a bit of grip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling at it. So just a little bit on the fingers. And you just want to give that nice massage in. If you have a facial cream or a serum, that's fine too. But if you can possibly make it organic, then that's even better, because obviously what you place onto your skin is going to penetrate in. So you want it to be the best quality ingredients, really. So just passing in all along the lower part of the face, particularly the masseter muscle and the side of the ears and the mandible here, the jawline. Placing a little bit under the jawline as well, and then just in front and behind the ears and just down the SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So taking our knuckles here, we're just going to take our fingers, making a fish shape. We're going to work both sides at the same time. Let's just do a little bit of round circular motions here. Starting from the bottom of the jaw, let's just work our way all along the masseter muscle, which is one of the strongest muscles in the body. Now, when this gets tight from clenching, you can actually you can end up with headaches, tension headaches, maybe even pain within the jawline itself. So we really want to release any of this tight tension and any stuck fascia. And if you feel a little bit of maybe a tender point, you can always ease off with the pressure and come back to it later. So really give it a really lovely gentle massage with the knuckles here, all along this masseter muscle. Now I like to do a couple of deep belly breaths, in through the nose for 4 and out through the mouth for 6. Again, we're also helping with blood flow and circulation. But also when this muscle is tight, when you're not getting so much blood flow and circulation because you've got tight muscle, tight fascia, and we want to release this for maximum blood flow, circulation, detoxification. So again, just really massaging along here. So let's get on to our real great amazing one point, and we're going to do this one side of the masseter at a time. So taking our fingers now we've warmed this section up, placing it where our cheekbone is for an anchor, taking our other finger, and I'm making my finger into a hook shape, placing it just under that cheekbone, and you just want to gently melt into the skin. And then very, very slowly work all the way down without stretching the skin. This is a light to medium touch, making sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed, but also more importantly, that your face is nice and relaxed, and also your jawline area. And you can take a nice deep belly breath in and just melt as you're breathing outwards. You may feel a bit tender here. And you want to work very, very slowly towards the jawline, releasing any tension. And then when you get to the end of the jawline here, just give it a little wiggle, and then let's work on the other side. So now again, placing our hand where our cheekbone is, taking our finger as a hook, melting into the skin. Great facial fascia decompression, and sometimes you can get fascia almost like a fascia glue sort of stuck to the bone. So by allowing more space, by doing this exercise Again, it allows some more blood flow, circulation and oxygen. I'm gently working all the way along now, all the way down, very, very slowly. Relaxed face, relaxed jaw. Really lovely deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now I also like to do this in a seated position, but if you're standing, that's fine. Making sure that our back is nice and straight and in alignment as well, so you're not hunched over. Again, this will also help with maximum blood flow and oxygen. And then when we get to the end, just give it another little wiggle. And then just taking the fingers now. We've really worked, that's quite a deep massage, fascia massage if you like. So let's just really give a lovely gentle massage here. By doing this great fascia release, which the fascia is like a structural tissue in the whole of the body, almost a bit like a spider's web. It works in lots of different directions. So you want to be working in lots of different directions to actually release it as well. So real lovely gentle massage. Make sure the shoulders are relaxed, the mouth is relaxed, and you're not holding any tension to the rest of the face. Gently massaging. And then taking the fingers here from the chin, coming up and across. Further light touch. What we're doing here is we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, and the lymph is also very close to the surface of the skin, so only a light touch is needed. And again, this is why it's really important to have a really lovely facial oil. And then thumb placed under the chin, fingers as a hook, gliding along. My favourite move, this one, moving toxins and waste under the chin and the jawline. Moving everything outwards towards the ears. And then just massage in front of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then just working around circular motions all along the bottom of the head, top of the neck. Now, I always like to finish off with this because again, we hold a lot of tension in the neck area. And then when the fingers are touching, one hand at a time, gliding down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And on the next side. And then from the chin all the way down, our starting position, if you can take the pads of your fingers just above the collarbone, if you just give those a few gentle presses. Again, I always like to finish off with this, no matter what facial massage, fascia techniques I do, or any face yoga. Really important to release the toxins and waste. Now, I'd highly recommend a glass of lukewarm water to really help with detoxification and also hydrating the fascia afterwards. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment down below, tell me how you found this. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and check out my description box. I have lots of things goodies I really would recommend if you're into facial LED lights, for instance. I have one for the face, also for the neck, a great for boosting collagen and elastin as well, particularly if you have older skin. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.